Hello and welcome. My name is Eva and I'm part of Team 21 together with Adi Mukherjee and Rimak Saini. We were responsible for developing the social media tracking and monitoring website for a UK-based mental health charity called Mind. The initial problem they presented us with is their current inability to track any mental health social media trends, and based on their feedback of the end product, we have managed to successfully meet and even exceed their initial requirements and expectations. I'm now going to walk you through the website and demonstrate all the key functionalities that it provides. To begin with, on the left-hand side, we have a Twitter newsfeed, which is customized and fully modifiable by the user. It only displays tweets related to a list provided to us by Mind, and this list contains keywords, hashtags, and general terms that they're interested in and would like to track. The user can easily modify the Twitter feed by adding a new search term. So, for instance, they could add the hashtag feeling blue by simply clicking on the plus button, and it has now been added and it is part of the Twitter newsfeed as well. There are numerous status bars and information and panels related to the feed. So, for instance, this number here informs the user of the amount of tweets that have been posted since the user logged in on the website. This status bar shows that the feed is working and is connected to Twitter, and this time period here indicates how many tweets how many seconds have passed since the last tweet has been posted. If we now look onto the right side, we can see the main dashboard that the website provides. By default, it shows a graph which informs the charity of their performance on social media and more specifically on Google Trends and how they've been performing on Google Trends. However, the user can get a fully customizable graph based on their preferences. There's two main data sources to be selected from: Google Trends and Twitter. And depending on which one of these is selected, the time span will vary, as Twitter only provides information for last week, which has been indicated here. Same if we just look at the period to search over, there's clear indication of what time span you can select. And I'm now going to demonstrate the searching capability. So let's say we want to look at Google Trends over the last week and search for mental health. As you can see, we have a status bar showing that the graph is loading, and we are now presented with the graph. From here, there's information about the data displayed, which explains what relative interest is according to Google. And the user can see specific data points with the tooltips. They can also zoom in and zoom out. They can move across the graph and interact with it in any way that they wish. Additionally, the users can export to PDF. As we can see, it's very quickly generated. And they can also export to an image by just simply right-clicking on it, and they can save or copy the image and use it as they wish. We can also add Twitter to this chart, display a second chart. If we stick with the same term, we can see that the time span has now been defaulted to only last week. And we can now see the two graphs. The first one is the one that displays the data from Google Trends, and the second one from Twitter. We can export both of these again to either PDF or image and view the data in a different format. As you can see, it's been successfully completed, and The website is very user-centered and user-friendly. There's numerous guidance and advice on how to use it and what data visualized means. And another main advantage is that it is available through a variety of platforms. So for instance, here we can see that it has the same user interface in Internet Explorer as well as with Firefox. And this has been our demonstration of our platform. I hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye from me.